Welcome to this episode of the Car Admirer. Today I'm going to be showing you how to put a baby seat in a Nissan Navara. Stay tuned. So the first thing you are going to need to do is to take the headrest off. So it depends on which side you want it on. If you want to put it on this side, take this one off. Obviously, if you want it behind the driver's seat, take it off that one there. So just lift the little buttons here to remove the strap, the headrest. And under there, you'll see these little toggles. There's one there, and then there's one in the middle of the seat. Now this is what you'll need to hook the car seat through. So instead of going over the back of the seat, because there's no attachment, you've got to run it from the top across there and then lock it in to that one there. So I'll show you how to do it. So just going to put the seat in and then get the hook from the back of the chair and then feed it through the first hole directly behind the seat, and then make sure I push the seat in nice and deep, and then you've got to just get it so it just fits in onto this hook here, which is a bit hard. It's not the greatest of designs, but you've got to make do with what you've got. So then hook it in there and then reach behind and then pull the tension up as high as it can go so it's nice and tight. And then now the seat is in nice and tight, so now I've just got to feed the seat belt through the holes that we've got. It's a bit hard to get in, but once you get it through, you'll find that it's quite easy. Just got to, I always like to put my knee on the seat so it gets it nice and down. I'm 90 kilos, so our daughter won't be that heavy. Got in the wrong seat belt at least. So push it right down and you'll hear the click. Now that is in, and that is not going anywhere. And then obviously if you want to take it out, undo the seat belt, undo the little hook here, and that is tight as anything. That is not going anywhere. So it doesn't go over the back into a hook, it just goes along the back. So obviously if you want to put it over that side, take the headrest off and then do the same. So now I'm just going to put the headrest back on the car, right to go. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks.